You're welcome to this video. We're going to construct a pentagon whose side is 40 mm using 4 different methods. Method 1. In this method, we draw a line AB. The length is 40 mm. We set a compass radius AB to mark the point B. With the center at A and the center at B, we draw 2 circles. Where the circle meets above the line A and B, we mark the point Q and P. We connect the line PQ at the point where they bisect the line AB. We're going to use that as a reference point. So with the same radius of 40 mm in the center at B, we describe a circle such that it meets the circles A and B at R and S. We draw a line passing through M to the second circle and another line from S passing through M to the other circle to meet at C and E respectively. The sides of the pentagon will be obtained from the side AB, BC and AE. To get the remaining sides, we used the radius 40 mm and the center at C and E respectively to describe an arc where they meet to form the point D, and connect D to C and D to E. In this method, we're going to draw line AB. The same distance, 40 mm, and we have the midpoint where we get the perpendicular bisector at this point, which is equal distance to A and B. To get a new point Q, BQ, we have the distance 40 mm, which is the same thing with A. Now with the radius PQ and at center at B, we describe an arc to touch the line AB to get a new point M. Now the radius AM will describe an arc starting from M so that we can get a new point C, and the radius BC is equal to AB. With the radius 40 mm, center at A, we describe an arc. Then the radius AM with the center at P we describe to form a new point E, and we'll connect the sides. To get the new point D, we use the radius AM with center at A and B to get the point which is a diagonal to the pentagon. We form the point D, connect C to D and D to E to complete the sides of the pentagon. At this point, we'll draw a line AB, which is 40 mm. I will bisect the line AB. I will draw the line and extend it above this point to get a new line PD, and PD is 1.5 times the side of the pentagon, 1.54 times the side of the pentagon. So with the distance, which is 40 mm, and the center at A and D respectively, we'll describe an arc to form the point E, and the centers at B and D, the same radius, form a new point at C. We'll connect the point A, B, C, D and E to form the pentagon. Draw a horizontal line AB, mark a point A, and to get the point B, which is 40 millimeter, we're going to use a protractor to measure, to mark out the angle of 108 degrees from the point B, and also 108 degrees to the point E. We draw a line, we extend the line passing through that point, and we describe an arc with center at A and B respectively to get the distance on the side to form BC and AE. To get the new point D with the same radius of 40 millimeter, the center at C and E we describe to get the new point D, and connect all the points to form the pentagon. Thank you for watching.